Now we need to configure our identity server project. First thing that we have to do is we need Nuget packages for identity server. So we will right click here, manage Nuget packages. We will go to the browse tab here and we will search for sunday.identityserver.ASP.NET Identity. This is the package that we want to install for identity server. On top of that, we'll be using Entity Framework Core to push the migrations and store the user in database. So we will require those packages as well, like SQL Server. We will install that Microsoft.entityframeworkcore.SQL Server. Next packages are ASP.NET Core.Identity packages. We will install Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.Identity.Entity Framework Core. Then we also need the UI package for identity. Let me install that. And lastly, we will need the tools package when we have to run the migrations. So Microsoft.entityframeworkcore.tools. Let me go to the install tab and make sure we have all the packages that we need. I believe this looks good for now, so let me close that. Now that we have all the packages, let's continue the configuration in the next video.